That's it.
Hey, thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. That's just symptomatic of our problems. It makes no sense.
Because you have contacts and you travel, have you tried something just to
Kenya from where it is right now, the heights that you aspire to?
more than we can imagine? What to make?
How long do you have, by the way?
Sammy is what Kenya can never have in terms of he's a technician, then he's an administrator. Because I've followed the way he's run his business. He's not coming here in Kenya to look at FIFA money, to look at what money can give him, what football can give him.
The only sensible path forward to normalizing the state of football is institution of normalization committee by FIFA. This path will immunize current election process against actual and possible judicial challenges. These challenges are inevitable in view of current situation of football, regardless of who wins the upcoming elections.